am Tina Jain, and as you guys can see, I'm late and now I have to rush. But I guess this is the situation with most of us. That is why I am making this tutorial today, in which I will show you 5 simple steps in which you can get ready and still be on time. So what are we waiting? Let's get started. Alright guys, I have prepped my face completely with the moisturizer, and next I am using my Mineral Stick foundation from NYX. I love this product, it is so good and handy. It is also great for oily skins. I am simply dabbing the product all over my face and neck. We are not using concealer or corrector in this video because we do not have time. We are rushing late for our work, and simply dab it all over your face to cover all the areas. Next, I am using my beauty blender. It is a damp one. That means it is wet. Just dab in small circular motions all over your face and neck. Please do not forget your neck, girls. Never. Just dab everything. Make sure no patches are left anywhere. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows. This is my favorite part. I guess everybody should do their eyebrows. For this, I'm using my crayon from MAC. And oops, I just dropped it. Wait, I'll pick it up. And now, I'm going to work it in very light strokes to fill all the gaps that are there in my eyebrow. Just working in little light strokes to fill those gaps at the front. Make sure you use a very light hand and very light strokes, and then merge it with a brush. You do not want those lines to be visible, right? Just brush it, mix it well, then do the same on the other side. Fill in all the gaps that are there in your eyebrows. I guess doing eyebrows makes our face look so fresh. I do it all the time. I never ever skip my eyebrows. Never. Next, I'm using my brow palette from Freedom with an angular brush. I feel using a brow palette, the powder one, makes sure all the gaps are filled properly. This one is so good. It has different shades that you can choose according to your hair color. Just filling all the gaps that are there. And ta-da, done! Next, I'm using my gel liner from L'Oreal with this Real Technique brush. And now I'm just simply stretching my eyelid and applying the liner really close to my lash line. Stretching your eyelid and then applying your liner is a great trick for the beginners who do not know how to apply a liner. Just make sure the liner is equal, and done. Now I'm using blush from Maybelline Fitme collection with a fluff brush. Just take the product and dab extra on the hand. I am dabbing the product first on my cheek and then merging it. I like this trick because I feel this avoids any patches. Just merge. Apply more product if you want. Little on nose, on chin, and on my forehead. I feel this trick is really good to give my face that fresh look. Done. Next, I'm using my matte liquid lipstick from Color Bar. This is my favorite. I love the formula. I love the color. And the best part about this liquid lipstick is it looks great with all the skin types. Be it fair ones, be it dark ones. It looks great with everybody. Trying to make it equal, following my natural line, and ta-da! I'm done! Ready! Alright guys, so these were 5 simple steps in which you can look great, rush to your work, and still be on time. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. For the next time, bye bye.